People have had to shovel all day to combat the snow. This is video from Shorewood earlier today. People trying to keep on top of conditions by repeatedly removing the snow as soon as it piled up on the sidewalks.
People come walking through and pack it down, so the earlier you can get out and clear it, makes it a little bit easier later on.
12 News' Duke Carter spoke to residents in Franklin when the snow first started falling there this morning.
Well, it's looking like a winter wonderland here in Franklin. You can see the snow is starting to pile up here in the roads. And guess what? We've got people already having a snowball fight, enjoying the first snowfall of the season. Ah! So how does it feel seeing it's like, the first snowfall of the season? How you feel about that?
I hate it. I'm being honest.
I respect it. Go ahead.
Right. I mean, it is what it is. We live in Wisconsin. We got to expect it.
Love it or hate it, it comes every year. Snow. We caught up with folks in Franklin digging themselves out near Drexel and Loomis. One woman says she shoveled twice since 8 o'clock Saturday morning.
We're just trying to keep ahead of it a little bit. And then later on, my husband got a bad arm and bad shoulder, so we're trying to save the heavy stuff for the snow blower.
Some use innovative ways like a leaf blower to clear the snow, and others decided to brave the conditions briefly without a jacket. Sleeveless, you're not cold at all.
No, man, it's not too bad, I guess. I haven't been outside. I just was in the house for how long, though, so. But yeah, no, I mean, I'm glad it's not super cold today.
WeatherWatch 12 says the winter storm warning is expected to last until Sunday morning. Reporting in Franklin, Duke Carter, WISN 12 News.